Arm sling. Support the injured arm with the other hand. To make sure, you need to check their hand if it's functioning or not. At the edge of that triangular clothes, you need to tie it to make it as a lock. Slide a triangular bandage under the arm with the long edge parallel of the body and bring the end up to the meet at the shoulder. Tie the end together, ensure the arm is fully supported, and secure a tip around the elbow. Check circulation and pressing the nail and observing the return of color. And this is the final look. Forehead bandage. First, apply direct pressure to control bleeding with gaze and a clean clothes. Then, use a triangular bandage by placing it base just above the eyebrows, bringing the end of the back of the head, crossing them, and bringing them forward to tie them over original base. The excused material struck it on the secure and bandage, and it should be tight but not constricting, allowing one and two finger to fit underneath. And this is the final result. Chest bandage. To apply a chest bandage, you first need to clear the wound area and prepare a dressing. For a penetrating chest injury with heavy bleeding, apply a commercial chest seal over the wound, making sure it creates an airtight seal. For less severe injuries like a rib or arm injury, a sling can be used to support the arm across the chest. Always monitor the victim for breathing difficulties and check circulation after applying any dressing. And this is the final result.